Hello viewers, here we are with the Panasonic KX-TG2650N, and I've had it on charge for about an hour or two now, so I think it should probably have enough charge to be useful. There does appear to be something. Whoops. Something I wanted. Oh, it's on intercom now. Let's get it off intercom. I believe there's something wrong with the back speaker here because, let's see if we go into ringer volume, for instance. That's all we get out of it, and that's certainly not what it should be. So there's definitely something wrong here. So let's go ahead and make a call and see if it at least transmits and receives correctly, and perhaps we can just replace that speaker in the back and call this working. Okay, I guess this has to be turned on first. Hello? 1, 2, 3. So the bass speaker seems to work. Check. 1, 2, 3. Seems to work on both sides. Let's get the handset out here. Should switch over. It switched over. Testing. 1, 2, 3. So it seems to transmit okay. And speaking into here, I think it sounds okay. 1, 2, 3. It's just when we go on speaker that it's pretty much almost non-existent. 1, 2, 3. It's really quiet. So it's also very distorted. So there's definitely something wrong in that respect. So yeah, that's definitely not working. So let's see here. It looks like these buttons they're all working, but they're not quite as responsive as they should be. So we'll have to open it up and take a look at that. That certainly works. Alright, so it looks like everything on here works. We got that, which is really pretty cool. Let's take a look at the bass here.
Please try again.
Okay. I think we gotta open the caller ID entry here to edit it. Nope, okay, that's not what I wanted. Yep, okay. It's definitely not working as loud as it should be. Okay, So it looks like everything works. I'll go ahead and call it, although we won't be able to really hear the ringtone. Hello?
Hello?
It works.
It works.
Alright, so that concludes that. I guess the next thing to do is open up the handset and then find out kind of speaker it's got in there. Perhaps it'll have one I have on hand, and I'm going to replace it fairly easily and, whoa, whoops, and get this going.